In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use member sites on Squarespace. This can be an incredibly powerful feature if you're looking to showcase exclusive content, offer courses, or even manage a bookable schedule for your community. So, let's dive in and break down how you can set up your member site quickly and easily. First things first, you'll want to open up Squarespace in your web browser. Make sure that you log into your account with the credentials you normally use. If you aren't already logged in, you won't be able to access the necessary settings to update your site. Once logged in, you should find yourself on your home page. Take a moment to acclimate yourself to the interface. This will help as we proceed through the steps. On your home page, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll see your profile. Click on that, and from the available options, select the website you've decided to work on. Choosing the right website, especially if you manage multiple ones, is crucial for ensuring that you're updating the correct content. With your site selected, head over to the left side menu and click on Pages. Once you're in the Pages section, locate the main navigation area. Here, you'll spot a plus icon. Give that a click and then choose Member Site from the drop-down options that appear. This option enables you to create a dedicated space for members, where you can customize the pages to showcase content that aligns with your goals, whether that's offering educational courses, highlighting events, or integrating a bookable schedule. Next, let's talk about how you can control access to this content through pricing plans. Within the member site setup, look for the pricing plan option. This feature allows you to create one or multiple pricing schemes. You have a few choices here. You can opt to charge a fixed amount, set up a recurring subscription, or even allow your members to access your content free of charge. Consider your audience and objectives to determine which pricing plan is best suited for you. After setting up your pricing plan, it's time to edit your site. Click on Edit and then navigate to Add block. Here, select Digital Product. This is the step where you make it possible for visitors to sign up for a membership and create an account that grants them access to your exclusive or paywalled content. Once you have completed these steps and are satisfied with your setup, be sure to click Save to ensure all your configurations are properly stored. Following these instructions will help you build a fully functional member site that can engage your audience in new and exciting ways. Remember, harnessing the power of member sites on Squarespace can open up numerous possibilities for you and your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.